Jolene from Ride the Wind. Here we have the 2023 SOHO from Taubik and the 2024 SOHO 50. And I wanted to do a video comparing them because seeing pictures online just doesn't do it justice. They're not the same bike, but they're the same category, the same type of bike where they're a step through 26-inch electric bicycle. So these ones were $22.99. They're on sale for $19.99 right now. And these ones are $24.99. So what are you getting for that difference? Well, first of all, this is a 10 amp battery in the SOHO. This is a 15 amp battery, and these are LG or Samsung cells. This has suspension, but it's not much of a suspension. This has a full front suspension, fully adjustable, for that truly changes the ride. Screen, much more upgraded, although this one still has a colored screen, but this one's just a little bit bigger. But these are UL 284 certified, so you've got an intelligent BMS system, and that makes this bike certified, which is going to be mandatory in the future. So it's got a few extra things where you can't overcharge your battery, and if you leave it dormant, it'll still charge. It won't die, because sometimes if you leave lithium batteries for a long time when they're dead, they don't come back to life. So that's huge. That's actually huge with this one. The integrated small things like these have bigger discs in the front. These are not as thick. The lights are brighter on this one, and the rear racks are different. So this is standard in all of the Taubikes now, and integrated brake light, which I love. So these don't have a brake light, and it's just a cleaner finish. This is the seat they came with. Not comfortable, but this is needed because if people want to have their feet flat on the bike, then they can achieve that. You can almost get that on this one, but the seat makes a big difference. You can see how thin that seat is. This is a really nice seat for the bum, I tell you. Really nice. But this is just your smaller step through. So if there was the same seat on this one as that one, I'd be flat-footed. But I'll tell you, I'd rather have my feet not flat and my bum happier on this. So if I put them side by side, let's take a look at the frames. Oh, this bike is lighter, by the way. And that's just because this one, the tires are slightly bigger. They're still 26-inch, but this one has a little bit more weight to it. That battery is going to be the main part because it's a bigger battery. It's a 15 as opposed to 10. And then this has got a little bit more of a substantial frame in it, so more metal. And when I say weight difference, I'm maybe talking about 5-8 pounds difference. It's not like you're going to be carrying them, but some people really like how much lighter this one is. It's really a feeling thing, that's for sure. If this bike just feels better, because the handlebars are the same too. This one's just adjusted differently. The handlebars are the same, but the step through is a little lower on the previous version. So it's a feeling. It's a feeling. And if you want to save some bucks, that's kind of nice too. But if you test drive them both, you'll know just which one kind of feels better. But yeah, just to kind of say like, hey, what are the differences in these? That's that. I'm out of breath.